Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI tools platform to save it what the hype. So let's get started. Genmo in 2025 is one of the most exciting AI video tools, letting you turn text prompt or image into cinematic short clip with smooth camera motion, 3D effect, and high quality visual. Its interface is beginner friendly, and the features like the Genmo chart help refine prompt and storyboard for better results. Creators love the free tiles for experimenting and the paid plan for watermark free videos. Commercial, write, and fast rendering for marketers, educators, and designers who want quick concept videos without complex software. Genmo feels like a breakthrough, and on the flip side, Genmo is best for short clip, usually under 15 seconds, and the rendering can be slow on free plan. Editing control are limited compared to full video editors, so you might still need another tools for polishing or longer project. And here's a better conclusion: the Genmo is absolutely worth the hype in 2025. If you need a fast AI generated visual, just remember it's creation tools, not a full production suite. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.